Interior design is changing to meet our desire for sustainable, functional, and personalized living places in 2025. This year's trends are beautiful and promote environmental awareness and well-being. 2025 offers a new viewpoint on how we live, work, and rest at home. From biophilic designs that bring nature within to breakthrough smart home technologies, these 12 design ideas will inspire you to create a fashionable, modern, and eco-friendly house that fits your lifestyle. Whether you're renovating or building, eco-conscious design takes center stage in 25. Recycled wood, bamboo, and natural stone dominate interiors, combining style with sustainability. Furniture and decor made from upcycled materials reflect a commitment to the environment. Expect homes to feature energy-efficient lighting and organic fabrics, creating spaces that are both chic and eco-friendly. Designers are also integrating green walls and indoor plants to improve air quality and bring nature indoors. This trend is about more than aesthetics. It's about fostering harmony between modern living and the planet. Biophilic design remains a favorite in 2025, emphasizing nature's role in our living spaces. Large windows, indoor gardens, and natural textures create a serene environment. Designers are blending earthy tones like moss green and terracotta with soft lighting to mimic natural surroundings. Water features such as small fountains add a calming element. This trend connects people to nature, reducing stress and promoting well-being. Whether it's a vertical garden or wood-paneled walls, biophilic elements provide a refreshing escape from urban life. Technology transforms interiors in 2005. Aussi, with advanced smart home systems, voice-controlled lighting, climate regulation, and integrated home assistance redefine convenience. Designers focus on sleek, minimalist aesthetics to hide tech components, blending them seamlessly into decor. Smart furniture, such as charging-enabled tables or modular designs, further enhances functionality. Home automation goes beyond gadgets, emphasizing user-friendly interfaces and sustainability by optimizing energy use. This trend prioritizes making homes more efficient while maintaining a stylish, uncluttered appearance. Minimalism evolves with a warmer, cozier twist in 2025. Neutral palettes like beige, cream, and soft gray dominate, complemented by natural textures like wool and wood. Furniture with curved edges and plush fabrics creates inviting, comfortable spaces. The focus is on simplicity, but with an emphasis on comfort and functionality. Layered lighting and subtle decor add depth without overwhelming the space. This trend combines the clean aesthetics of minimalism with the warmth needed for a welcoming home. While neutrals remain a staple, bold color accents make a statement in 2025 interiors. Vibrant hues like cobalt blue, mustard yellow, and emerald green are used sparingly to create focal points. Whether it's a statement wall, colorful furniture, or striking artwork, these accents add personality and vibrancy. Designers are pairing these bold colors with neutral backdrops to balance the look. This trend encourages creativity and allows homeowners to express their unique style. Textures take over walls and ceilings in 2025, adding depth and character. Materials like lime wash, plaster, and wood paneling are popular for creating tactile surfaces. Ceiling treatments, including coffered designs and patterned wallpaper, draw attention upward. This trend transforms blank spaces into visual highlights, making rooms feel dynamic and engaging. Textured finishes also pair beautifully with both modern and classic styles, offering versatility in design. It's a bold step away from plain walls and ceilings. Vintage design makes a big comeback in 2025 with retro-inspired furniture and decor. Think mid-century modern chairs, Art Deco lighting, and colorful 70s patterns. Mixing old with new is key, as vintage pieces are paired with contemporary elements for a balanced look. This trend celebrates nostalgia while embracing modern functionality. Upcycled vintage items also tie into the sustainability movement, adding charm and uniqueness to interiors. The result is a timeless yet trendy aesthetic. With more people working from home, multifunctional spaces dominate 2025 interiors. Furniture like foldable desks, modular sofas, and hidden storage solutions maximize space and utility. Open-plan designs integrate living, working, and dining areas seamlessly. Sliding partitions and room dividers allow for flexibility, creating distinct zones without permanent walls. This trend prioritizes adaptability, making homes more practical and efficient for modern lifestyles. Maximizing natural light is a key trend in 2025. Skylights, large windows, and glass doors flood interiors with sunlight, creating airy and uplifting spaces. Designers focus on sheer curtains and reflective surfaces to enhance light flow. Strategic furniture placement ensures that natural light reaches every corner. This trend is not just about aesthetics. Natural light improves mood and reduces energy costs. By embracing open spaces and light-filled interiors, homes feel more connected to the outdoors. Handmade decor takes center stage in 2025, celebrating craftsmanship and individuality. From pottery and woven textiles to hand-carved furniture, these pieces add character to interiors. Artisanal items tell a story, creating a personal connection between the homeowner and the space. This trend values quality over mass production, supporting local artisans and sustainable practices. Handcrafted decor brings warmth and authenticity to homes, making them feel unique and inviting. Maximalism makes a bold statement in 2025 with layered patterns, eclectic decor, and rich colors. This trend encourages mixing and matching textures, prints, and materials to create vibrant, lively interiors. Statement furniture, bold wallpaper, and oversized artwork add drama and personality. Unlike minimalism, maximalism embraces more is more, allowing for self-expression through design. This trend is perfect for those who want their spaces to reflect their bold, creative personality. Luxury design meets sustainability in 2025, combining elegance with eco-friendly practices. Designers focus on ethical sourcing and long-lasting quality, creating luxurious spaces that respect the environment. This trend includes bespoke furniture, energy-efficient fixtures, and eco-conscious decor. Sustainable luxury proves that style and responsibility can go hand in hand, appealing to those who want to live beautifully without compromising on ethics. Conclusion: interior design in 2025 combines functionality, sustainability, and personal expression. This year's trends are changing how we live. From eco-friendly materials to biophilic architecture, smart technologies, sustainable practices, and nature in our homes create attractive, healthy, and environmentally friendly settings. These 12 ideas will inspire you to design a modern, thoughtful house that meets today's demands. Whether you're renovating or starting from scratch, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.